बहुत पढ़ लिया, अब जितना मैं पढ़ूंगा वही उठ के आएगा एग्जाम में. Jai Shri Ram, welcome to my channel. So today we are starting the chapter heredity. Genes, first of all, they are segments of DNA, traits which can be also called alleles. Alleles or alleles, whatever you tell, I call it alleles. So yes. Difference can be asked of acquired and inherited traits. There are three differences. There are more differences in the Google, so you can refer to that. Acquired traits do not pass. Inheritance passes from generation to generation. Inherited traits takes part in evolution, but acquired traits does not take part in evolution. Genes doesn't encode, but in inherited traits, genes encodes. Father of genetics, who? Gregor Mendel Sahab. Laws of inheritance. He chooses pea plant. Why? Because of these three reasons. This is a very important question. Bisexual, both self and cross-pollination can be done. It has contrasting characters and 90 days of lifespan. There are two types of gametes. Dominant gametes. There are two types of gametes, tall and dwarf. Tall is represented by capital T and dwarf by small t. Tall is dominant. Dominant is a dominant and recessive traits. We will get into that in the next part. So tall and dwarf. Both capital T are homozygous and both small t's are homozygous, and capital T small t is heterozygous. Monohybrid cross. Parents they are TT, capital TT. If I say capital T, then it's both are capital T, and when I say small t, both are small t. Capital T cross-pollination by small t dwarf plant will give us gametes tall tree and dwarf tree. Tall tree and dwarf tree, and F1 generation will be T, capital T and small t, which will be tall. All are tall. This is an important thing. All are tall. On selfing, we will get capital T small t, capital T small t, then capital T small t, then again capital T small t. This is called a Punnett square, and this is important. Questions are asked from this. We have to. It's like probability. I will show you. We have to do this t into t. This is first, then to t into t. This is second. We have to do it again t into t. This is third, and then we have to do again t into t. This is fourth. These are the four outcomes of the Punnett square which are to come. So here, tall, capital T small t, capital T small t, capital T small t small t. So these are all the Punnett square, and dwarf means both are small t. So a famous question is asked: phenotypic and genotypic ratio. Phenotypic means tall, there are 3:1. 3 tall and 1 dwarf. Genotypic ratio is capital T is to capital T small t is to small t. That means 1:2:1. Dominant traits are T behaves capital T behaves like. Recessive traits are small t, they behave like. The tall/small trait and the round and wrinkled sheath traits are independently inherited. This is a important statement. That's the end of the chapter. I hope so you like my explanation. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.